Welcome to Mindful Tools, a new series where we explore the products that bring magic and mindfulness into our lives. Each episode features someone from our Mindful Souls family, sharing how they use these tools to enhance their well-being and spiritual practices. In this episode, we're excited to continue with our star ambassador, Ronda del Boccio, as she unboxes a crystal grid to help elevate your energy and intentions.
Hello, good day, good evening, welcome. I'm Rev Ronda, the Blind Seer. I specialize in working with people who are empaths and highly sensitive people, highly intuitive people, and teaching energy balancing and nervous system reset, etc. I received as a beautiful prize gift from Mindful Souls the wonderful Dreamweaver set of the crystals. And I said that my first ritual with them would be for this community. And as I asked, what shall I do this ritual? People said clarity and healing, a little prosperity thrown in there. I showed a picture of the grid pre-activation in my post about this on the group, whatever. Language does not do me so well when I'm in the zone, so I will misspeak a lot, I'm sure. I'm using the kit, also a few other things, and what I do, I call it Astro Vibe Healing, and so I work alongside not only whatever the intention is, such as the healing and clarity requested in the community, also with the phases of the moon, the planetary alignments, etc. And currently I'm using one of the moon card blind, so I'm trying to go, okay, there we go. I am actually mostly blind. I'm called the Blind Seer for a reason. Hopefully you're seeing the card really well. I did take it in the picture. That is the waxing crescent moon, which is where we are. And the waxing moon is always the time of expansion and growth and taking steps toward whatever you wish. So it's a beautiful time for manifesting anything you want to increase or grow in life, whereas the waning moon is, you can do any ritual anytime, but when the moon is helping you, it's great. The stone, helpfully provided in the beautiful crystal kit that goes with the waxing crescent moon, is green aventurine. And I love to say it just because green aventurine, and it rhymes and it's fun. And it's beautiful for many purposes, certainly for that action, and a little bit for prosperity as well. So I have various crystals. There's a bit of labradorite, there's some smoky quartz, there's some regular quartz. The amethyst I saved for being the central stone. This is mine from a long time. And I use it quite a lot as a healer, and that is a lot of what's requested. And just when I felt into the group, beyond what people said by commenting when I asked, man, the crows are very talky tonight. Anyway, though, because I just really felt a lot of people are just hurting and feeling overwhelmed. And so a lot of that really good healing energy. So the other activations in the grid will definitely support clarity, a bit of courage, and loads of healing. I also have incorporated the blue angelite from one of the crystal boxes and putting it in the east in the position of Archangel Raphael for the beautiful healing, because intuitively I felt that was important. And as we set this pure intention clear, we give everything a smudge with the beautiful selenite. My candle is an artificial one because I have a cat, and I even very well watched I don't want anyone to go up in flames, so I do that. And I will now begin the activation. I have a couple of sound bowls here, which I will also use. Mindful Soul should love me. I'm incorporating so many things. Once I begin the activation, I'm also going to use the manifestation talisman, and it will begin to spin as this activates. I'm now setting the intention into the middle. May blessings of healing, love, clarity bless every member of this community and all of your families and all of your communities. This is all for the highest good of all concerned, and none are harmed. Om Bhur Svaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhur Svaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhuvasvaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhuvasvaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yona Prachodayat. Our grid is fully activated. It's good to leave it for a few minutes and meditate. And as this happens for you, by the way, whenever you watch this energy will be with you, even if it's a different time or moon phase or whatever, you will still be receiving these potent, growthful, and healing energies. And also, by the way, I'm not a staff member or anything of Mindful Souls. I'm just a customer and community member. I meant to say that before, my apology. So I'm going to share something with you. I'm an oracle deck creator, and one of the readings that I created for this deck, which I'll tell you about in a moment, I call it the Clarity reading. Clarity, the T-E-A, T for theme, E for energy, and A for action. What that means is the T, the theme, is what is the prominent theme right now. And since many wanted clarity, I'm choosing this reading so it'll help you understand your theme. The energy is that's what's around you in the world, in your community, in the people and situations that you're dealing with. And the A is the action that will most help you to either amplify or transform depending whatever else is going on. My deck is called Winged Messengers, and all of the cards are winged: angels, fairies, butterfly, ladybug, many different birds, and everything around all of our winged ones. So I have this as a digital deck, and I'm going to pull the reading now. I'm trying to do this sort of sideways, and it's, so you can see a little bit. I will put the I'll put the graphic of the reading, the picture of the reading, there we go, into the group. I told you I lose words when I get into the flow here. Okay. That's always so funny. Clarity. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. So what this tells me, that the clarity card, which is showing a raptor flying over a river through mountains, is this will be the great time for you to, not only that you're just, yes, we're focusing on this as part of this ritual, but this is happening for you so you can expect the clarity to come. My deck also has affirmations with each one. Oops. And the card for the energy around you is the Angel of Acceptance. Acceptance serves just sometimes. We have to accept what is. The reality is what it is sometimes. And there are many things that we can change, but not everything can we change. And so it's good to have that energy around you is, what is it that I can actually change, but what must I accept that is beyond my control? One of the affirmations I use each morning is, I will focus on only what I can control. Meaning there is so much in the world that's difficult and frightening and not great right now. And it doesn't mean ignore all of it, but we have to accept that not everything is going to be within our purview to fix or to change. And the action is signs. So you have an image in the clouds. And what that's saying is that you are going to have signs. Also, part of that is being open and aware. You know, some people say, I want a sign, and it's like, if you want the universe to hit you over the head with a 2x4, you probably have 10 signs. You may or may not have noticed them. So that is your clarity reading, that you will receive clarity. There are some things that you simply need to accept, that they are what they are, beyond your control, and also to be looking for those signs, which you will have. And I'm going to close us out here with so much love and gratitude for everyone in this beautiful community. I put the grid onto a plate, a wooden plate, so that I can leave it intact and put it somewhere that my cat cannot scatter the crystals everywhere. So I will be doing that in a few minutes. I thank you. I wish you peace. May you be well. May you be at peace. May you live with grace and ease. Namaste, which means I see and recognize the divinity in you. Many blessings, and have a beautiful rest of your night.